What's up, friends? We are going park hopping to Six Flags Magic Mountain. Hey everyone, it's Scott, and on today's itinerary, we are at Magic Mountain, and we are here to ride one of my favorite roller coasters, the dueling coasters known as West Coast Racers. I've got POVs from both sides, and at the end of the video, we'll do a side-by-side so you can see what it's like for these two tracks going head-to-head. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe so more content like this can come your way. And in the meantime, have a good one. Happy travels and be well.